All right, if you're looking for a Tri-5 Chevy, take a look at this sweetheart. 1956 Chevrolet 210, two-door post, and this baby is straight. This particular car, the gentleman that redid this, repainted it, had everything done, looked for a year and a half to find this car. This is an all original sheet metal car, came out of the Southwest. Originally a Southwest car. He found it in Missouri, and that's where he picked it up. Started working on it. Got a majority of it done, as you can see. Paint is absolutely beautiful. The underside of this car, beautiful. Engine bay, trunk, all of that good. It just needs the interior finished. And we'll get around to that in a second. But I want to show you up and down this car how straight this thing is. One other thing to note is look at all the trim, the bright work lines up on this. Seams in the doors is absolutely beautiful. Paint was put down, just incredible. And what a two-tone color combination on this. You're not going to run into yourself with the other Tri-5s at car shows that are red and white, black and red, and black and white, all the common colors. This is absolutely gorgeous. So super nice finish on this car. Now, as far as underneath the hood, we do have a 350 underneath there. That's bored 60 over. It's paired with a Muncie 4-speed, has 342 rear end gears. Give you a little idea what's powering this. Goes down the road beautifully. Up front, power steering, power brakes, and it also has a front disc brake conversion to it. So you got front disc power brakes. As you can see right now, Koi chrome wheels, bright work. Very, very nice in this car. Engine compartment is finished off with a lot of chrome. Aluminum radiator's been added underneath there. Can't say enough to the looks and how nice this car is put together. Front end also has Heights 2-inch lowering spindles. And I did it steering column with tilt has been added to the interior, and the dash and everything's been painted. There's a ton of the parts that go along with this as far as the crossbows for the headliner, handles, all that type of stuff. You can check those out in the still pictures. There's boxes and things that go along with this car that are in the trunk. Check out the still pictures. You can see that engine bay. Check out what the interior looks like now. The floor pans, you get a great look at them. Underside of the car, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. We can be called at 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire about this beauty. Feel free to give us a call. Again, take a look up and down the passenger side here. And again, you can look at how the doors fit. Look at the seams. Look at how that bright work lines up. And then again, look up and down how straight this thing is. This car also has new wiring to it when it was taken apart, painted and everything done, new wiring added. Now, financing is available. We do consider trades. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so check with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, look at the bright work back here from taillight bezels, bumper, you see dual exhaust, great sounding car, nothing crazy loud, no crazy cam, anything like that. The 350 board, 60 over, nice little rumble to it. It's got a light smoke in the windows. Look at that. Yeah, 1956 Chevrolet 210 post car. And again, original sheet metal. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the interior. That's really the only thing left to finish on that. It's been jammed, painted, and again, now you can get a good look at the floors. See how solid they are. Take a look at the underside. Look at the body mounts. So you still have the hardware for the seat and everything in here. You just have to have it recovered. You would do the door panels, door cards, carpeting, the kick panels and the vents. That stuff you see down there, there's parts, all that's with the car. There's sill plates in there. And then of course, it's got the sound deadening up on the roof. You'd have to put a headliner in it. So a little TLC finishing up the inside of this. That's all it's going to take. You have one classy 56. There's I did it. Steering column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And look at the dash, all painted. Painted to match, all done. Put whatever stereo you want in it. It does have the gauges hooked up. Engine mounted. Closes. The gentleman that did this car had it painted, doing the restoration. Very fussy individual when it came to his car. Only reason he's parting with it is life got in the way. Has some daughters. They're not into the cars like he was. They like to fish. So he does a lot more fishing than he does the car shows anymore. Let's put it that way. Not that he necessarily maybe had to get rid of it or wanted to get rid of it. It just was that time, and I can see why. This was his baby. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood open. We're going to check out this engine bay because it's absolutely beautiful too. All right, here you go. Now the one thing too, he didn't just put this back together. He drove it with the way the interior was. Actually was at a show last year I happened to be at, and he got second or third place with this car and didn't even have the interior finished in it. That's how nice this is. You can see the engine bay. Everything's all painted in here. So all the tough stuff is done. Look at this. Look at the chrome underneath here. Edelbrock intake and carburetor. There's a Performer. Yep. Edelbrock Performer intake and carburetor, aluminum radiator. The headers. A lot of nice chrome, power brake, alternator, just all nice chrome. Absolutely beautiful. So there you go. You're looking for a 1956 Chevrolet 210 that will turn some heads. You're not going to see yourself going down the road. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate when you give us a call or email. Look forward to hearing from you.